Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream in a gag cooking event. First, understand that a gag event means creating something edible but hilariously unexpected. We're aiming for ice cream that's safe to eat, yet features a surprising ingredient or flavor. The key is to balance the familiar with the bizarre, ensuring your creation is both a treat and a laugh. When choosing your gag ingredients, think outside the box while prioritizing safety. You might consider savory snacks like crushed potato chips, a dash of hot sauce, or even a surprising vegetable puree. The trick is to pick something that will make people do a double take but still be palatable. Remember, the goal is a funny surprise, not an unpleasant one, so always ensure everything is food grade. To make your gag ice cream, start with a reliable base, like a simple vanilla or chocolate. Once your base is ready, it's time to introduce the gag. Mix in your unusual ingredients during the churning process, or fold them in just before freezing. For example, you could add a half cup of crushed pretzels or a tablespoon of a unique spice. Taste and adjust as you go, ensuring the final product is both surprising and somewhat enjoyable. Serving your gag ice cream is where the fun truly begins. Present it beautifully, perhaps with a garnish that hints at the surprise or one that completely misleads. Encourage everyone to take a small taste, watching their reactions as the unexpected flavors hit. It's all about the reveal and the shared laughter. And hey, if you're looking to set the mood for your next event, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.